Maabithaa a borithi kaunti-inĩ ya Kisii nĩ magathĩrĩirie ikinya rĩa gũkorwo makĩheo mathomo megiĩ ũgima wao wa meciria ũrĩa kwa ihinda ũrerĩkana ũkoretwo ũgũmĩire maabithaa aingĩ na gũcũngĩrĩria amwe kwĩyũraga ona kana kũũraga aruna ao kana bamĩrĩ ciao. Mathomo-inĩ maya maabithaa aya nĩ mahetwo mweke wa kwĩitũrũra na gũtarĩria mathĩna marĩa makoretwo makĩgerera. Maabithaa aya nĩ mahinyĩrĩirio magĩethaga ũteithio kuma kũrĩ ataaramu a mĩrimũ ya meciria nĩguo kũgirĩrĩria maũndũ moru marĩa mangĩka na macoke kwĩrira.
Just coming together so that we can share, we can catch up, we can bond out of the normal working routine. And we believe that such kind of events allow our officers to share their experiences. It allows them to share what they think is not working well with them. And as their bosses and as their friends, when we come together like this, it enables our officers to operate well, and such things enables us to be, it enhances our productivity.
This is a synergy session whereby members are able to come and bond and meet together, and I spoke particularly on mental wellness because there's no health without mental health. And being that these are people who sacrifice a lot for our nation, every other time they have all this busy working schedule, and they're also family people. It is important that once in a while such kind of synergy sessions are organized to help them.
Many times see people committing suicide. By the time they commit suicide, we have failed to recognize what to call the red flags of depression. And therefore, at KTRH, luckily these officers are recovered medically, and their cover is accepted at KTRH. We have enough personnel on mental health. We have psychologists, we have psychiatrists, and we have a unit that is able to address their issues.